many students were getting disqualified because of the IFSCA grade A criteria, eligibility criteria, and now recently on 12th of September they have revised the eligibility criteria here. You can see in this particular notice which was released on the IFSCA website on 12th of September, they have released the revised eligibility criteria. Okay. So for general stream, earlier they have omitted this particular line. They have now incorporated bachelor's degree in law or any other discipline. Bachelor's degree in any other discipline from the recognized university. So now BCom graduates will also be eligible, or not just BCom graduates. What I can say is, if you are having a bachelor's degree from any discipline, you are eligible for IFSCA grade A examination. Rest of the criteria remain same only, like master's degree with specialization in statistics, economic, commerce, business administration, finance, econometrics, or if you are having a bachelor's degree in IT, computer science, master's in computer application information technology. I don't think there was a need of mentioning this thing. Why? Because you have already mentioned bachelor's degree in any discipline. Again, there was no need to mention bachelor's degree in law if you have already mentioned bachelor's degree in any discipline. So here the criteria remains the same as of the last year only. And if you are having bachelor's degree in commerce with CS, CFA, CS, CWA, again you are eligible. No matter what, even if you are having any bachelor's degree in any discipline, you are eligible for this particular examination, and that's a great news for all of you guys, right? Coming to the percentage criteria, they have incorporated a new percentage 60% criteria in your graduation. Now they have clearly written here, please have a note. Candidates must have obtained 60% marks or equivalent grade in the respective qualifying examination in order to be eligible. Stands deleted. So this particular note, which was earlier there in the previous notification, which was there on the final notification, is now deleted, right? This notice clearly states that this is now deleted as of now. So you don't have to have a 60% marks in your bachelor's degree. It will be even fine if you are just having the bachelor's degree, right? Further, in case candidates are belonging to the SC/ST categories, relaxation in the education standard to the extent of 5% marks is allowed in case of bachelor's degree also stands deleted, as it has become redundant, it has become repetitive. Why? Because you have just abolished the requirement of having any percentage in this particular degree. So now you don't have that 60% criteria as of now. It will be even fine if you have a bachelor's degree in any discipline, right? So that's a very good step. I can say that this is a welcoming step, right? So all of you, those who are eligible, please do fill this examination, right? Because if you are targeting any regulatory body, why not to target all the regulatory bodies? Again, you can definitely try this examination as well. You can prepare for this examination as well, right? And the registration links will be modified shortly. All the other terms and conditions mentioned in the earlier original advertisement dated 10th of September shall remain unchanged. So these are the changed provisions is what I can say here, right? And that's a good news for all of you. So congratulations everyone, those who are eligible now, okay? And if you are seeking for any kind of mentorship, I may remind you that we are having a paid course for the IFSCA grade A examination, both for your phase 1 and phase 2. You can check out the course highlights as well. Okay guys, thank you so much. Let me know in case if you are having any kind of queries. Thank you. Bye bye.